In this video, what you'll need to check when purchasing a battery, as well as a step-by-step replacement and some specs on the battery size. But unless you have some special skills, you'll need to open the bonnet first using these latches, which you can never find. And then start by disconnecting the negative terminal and then the positive. The reason we do this is explained in this video somewhere on the screen, so by all means pause this one and watch that one first if you need to. The hold-down bracket is secured with two nuts, but you can already see this bracket wasn't designed to fit this battery. Now, although almost all automotive batteries are the same overall width, the trick is getting one to suit your bracket design, so more on that later. Once you have the two nuts loosened enough, unhook the J-bolts down at the base of the battery. On this battery, the top is raised and slightly narrower to follow the step profile of the bracket. But before getting too technical, you either get the flat top or the raised top, and the dimensions seem to be standard between manufacturers. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. When connecting the terminals, do it in the reverse order, so positive first and then the negative. As far as specs go, for this 2.5 DCI you'll need around 70 amp hours and 600 cranking amps, but these dimensions fit the battery tray. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.